Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing what are the command lines available for the Playwright. So the first command which we used was npx playwright test. It is going to execute all the tests in the headless mode, which is kept under tests folder. Let's check that. It will take few seconds and it will run the test in headless mode. Okay, so one test passed. Now if suppose I want to run any specific test, right, from the this test folder which we have. So in this case, what we would be doing is that we will be specifying the path of the folder followed by the file name. Spec.js. Okay. If there are multiple files which you want to execute, then you can do in same way. You can, I mean, have one space after this, and then you can specify the folder and the test name. Let's hit enter. Will take few seconds here, and then the test it has passed. Okay, you can also directly specify the file name which you want to execute, right? Hit enter. Okay. So this is running the test in headless mode again. Okay, one test passed. Now suppose I want to run the test based on the name of the test itself. I can specify that and run the test as well. So let me copy this, okay, and let me rename this, okay, and say test2, right? And we'll see how we can run this particular test. So you have to specify the title of the test and it will search globally. So we will be adding one parameter -g, okay, and then the title of the test, right? Hit enter. Okay. It's again running the test in headless mode. Okay. If you see that it ran the test2. Okay. Now let's see how we can run the test in headed mode. So in headed mode, you will be able to see the execution or the action which is performed on the browser. So the command is npx playwright test -- headed. It will invoke two browser instances, which is Chromium, and perform the action on that. Okay. You can see both the result, both the tests are passed. Let me remove this test. That get the execution. Okay, so now if suppose I want to specify the browser, okay, which browser it should invoke, right? So I can do that as well. Okay, so the command would be, let's see edit mode, because you can see the browser. You can add one more parameter, hyphen project, okay, and then name of the project, which is Chromium. Okay, hit enter. It will invoke the Chromium browser and perform the action. Like this, you can specify any of the browsers which is mentioned in your configuration. Okay. Now you can run the test in debugging mode as well. Suppose it's npm playwright test hyphen debug. Okay. Okay. So in debugging mode, you can see that a blank page is open, and then the playwright inspector is open. Okay. We will see this later. Okay. How we can debug the code. Okay, let me close this. Everything is command. Okay. You can also see or ask for help. Okay. npx playwright test hyphen help. Hit enter. Okay. If you can see, all the commands which you can use are listed here. Okay. So we used headed mode, debug mode as well. We used, okay, a reporter we have used in the previous videos. Okay, we have used project. Likewise, you can also use timeout. You can specify timeout. Suppose for a particular test you want to increase the timeout, you can do that as well. Okay, then you can specify the retries, how many retries you want to give. Okay, like this, you have so many options. You can use any of these. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.